I've been collecting fossils since I was a boy, and I haven't yet got tired of it. These days, you're supposed to wear glasses for safety. And if you would know a locality, you'll begin to recognize the sort of block that might contain a fossil. And this rock was split earlier to make it easier to show you. And if I can hit it quite hard about there. What about that? Is anything more beautiful than that? Fantastic.